Hey y'all, Bob with Million Mile Garage. We're going to do a hail video, and this is basically how to prevent hail damage to your car if it sleeps outside. We've had some horrendous weather up here in North Alabama the last couple of months. My house has taken a real shellacking. In fact, it's getting a new roof, which it must be pretty bad if my insurance company's buying me a new roof up here because they don't like to buy roofs up here. As I found out, it's not like Florida. But anyway, going to show you some of the nasty hail we've had and how we've been protecting on the Maxima. Kind of cool.
Yeah, we got some big hail. Look at that shit. Moses. Nasty. That's some pretty big ass hail. Holy crap. Oh my god. I'll put that one in the freezer too. Gotta hope that didn't dent the car up. Hopefully that helped. Alright. Hopefully we didn't get dented up too bad. Yeah, looks like I got lucky. I don't see any dents. See some ice on top there. Yeah, lucked out. I don't think it got dented up. Cool. All right. And we are getting hammered again. Yeah. Got moving blankets on top of the Maxima, and then I've got my Budge car cover on top of it to keep the blankets from blowing away. And you can see it's getting hit with hail again. Not as big a hail as last time, but it's coming down. I can hear it bouncing off of the window panes on the house as well. Nasty. So you can see there's some chunks of roof missing right there. It's kind of hard to show without getting up on the roof. It's kind of hard to see because of the color of the roof, but it's trashed. So what we did is we put moving blankets down on top of our Budge car cover, and then I got one of those $15 Harbor Freight tarps, and I jerry-rigged some nylon rope, with some sliding type knots. To hold the thing down, kind of like the same way I hold the Budge car cover on, same deal. And that way it keeps the moving blankets from getting soggy underneath the car cover, because the car covers aren't really 100% waterproof. So that's kind of my emergency kit that I've got in place now, now that I've had a little taste of North Alabama hail. Thought I'd share that with y'all, and maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's not. Kind of anxious to hear what you guys think of that, but it definitely kept me from getting dents.